When you think about your smartphone, you probably think about calls, texts, and scrolling through social media, right? But what if I told you that the device in your hand is actually a powerful AI constantly learning from you and working for you? Today, we're going to dive into the artificial intelligence that's already living in your pocket.
So, let's start with a fun question. Is your phone secretly a genius? And look, it might sound a little out there, but the answer's a lot closer to yes than you might think. That device is packed with intelligence that's humming away behind the scenes every single day.
So what do we even mean by an AI-powered smartphone? Well, at its core, it's a phone that uses artificial intelligence to learn from you. It's designed to automate all those tedious little tasks and deliver features that feel, well, almost magical. We're not just talking about running apps anymore. This is about your phone anticipating what you need, sometimes before you even realize you need it. And hey, this isn't some far-off futuristic tech we're talking about. Chances are you might already own one. If you're holding a recent phone like a Google Pixel 8, a Samsung Galaxy S24, or an iPhone 15 Pro, congratulations, you're already using a powerful AI device. These things have AI baked right into their DNA.
Okay, so what's the engine that's actually driving all of this intelligence? Let's pop the hood for a second and see what makes these phones so smart.
The secret ingredient is this special little chip, which you can think of as a mini brain for your phone. It's called a neural processing unit, or NPU for short. Now, while the main processor is busy handling all the everyday stuff, the NPU is built for one thing and one thing only, running really complex AI tasks at mind-blowing speeds.
So what's this NPU really good at? Well, it absolutely excels at tasks that mimic human intelligence. We're talking about instantly recognizing what's in a photo, understanding your voice commands, and processing human language. This is the dedicated hardware that makes so many of those cool, modern AI features possible.
And that NPU is absolutely crucial for something called on-device AI. All that means is that the complex thinking happens right there on your phone, which makes things way faster and a whole lot more private. It's different from cloud AI, where your data gets sent off to some remote server to be processed. Now, modern phones use a mix of both, for sure, but it's that powerful NPU that enables so many of those instant, secure features you love.
All right, now for the aha moment. Let's connect all this tech talk to the features you're probably using every single day, maybe without even realizing that AI is the magic behind them. Let's start with maybe the most impressive and obvious example, your camera. Have you ever taken a picture with your phone and just thought, wow, how did that look so good? It's not just the lens, my friend. It's a whole lot of powerful AI working in the background.
Seriously, think about it. The second you point your camera, the AI instantly recognizes if you're shooting a picture of your dinner, a beautiful landscape, or a portrait at night. It then automatically adjusts everything, the lighting, the colors, the sharpness, to give you the absolute best shot possible. It's like having a professional photo editor living in your phone, doing all the work in a split second.
But AI isn't just about what you see. It's also about what you say. Those intelligent voice assistants, whether you're a Siri person or a Google Assistant person, are your direct line to some seriously sophisticated AI. Every single time you ask your phone to send a message or set a reminder or search for something, it's using something called natural language processing. And that's just a really fancy way of saying the AI can actually understand the meaning and the intent behind your words. This isn't just a simple voice recorder, it's an AI that truly gets human language. Okay, now for a feature that's a little more behind the scenes. AI also works silently to make your life easier, especially when it comes to battery life. Ever wonder how your phone somehow manages to last the whole day? A huge part of that is smarter battery optimization. And you guessed it, it's powered by AI.
Your phone's AI is basically a little detective, constantly learning your habits. It knows which apps you use all the time and which ones you barely ever touch. And based on that, it intelligently puts the brakes on the power-hungry background activity of those apps you rarely use, saving precious battery life without you ever having to lift a finger.
Of course, none of these amazing features would matter if your device wasn't secure. And this is another area where AI plays a starring role in protecting your personal data. A perfect example is Face ID. It's so much more than just taking a picture of you. The AI actually projects thousands of invisible dots to create this incredibly precise 3D map of your face. It's so detailed that it can recognize you with stunning accuracy, even if you start wearing glasses or decide to grow a beard.
Now, let's talk about a feature that feels like it's been pulled straight out of a science fiction movie, but is very much a reality today, all thanks to that on-device AI we were talking about, real-time translation. This is just wild. thanks to that powerful on-device AI, phones like the Samsung Galaxy S24 can now translate a phone conversation live as it's happening. This is AI literally breaking down language barriers in real time, which is a total game changer for travel and communicating with people across the globe. Now, as amazing as all of this sounds, it's really important to take a step back and have a balanced view, because this technology comes with some incredible advantages, but also some pretty significant challenges that we need to be aware of.
So let's break it down. On the one hand, the advantages are awesome. You get a super personalized experience, photos that look like they were taken by a pro, and automation that saves you a ton of time. But there are challenges. All that personalization requires access to your data, which brings up totally valid concerns about privacy and security. Plus, those powerful AI chips can be a drain on the battery, and they definitely contribute to the higher costs of these phones. It's really a trade-off between power and privacy.
So, where do we go from here? What's next for the AI in your pocket? Let's take a quick peek into the future.
The big tech companies are pouring billions into pushing this stuff even further. We're talking about truly personalized digital assistants that know your life inside and out, advanced health monitoring that could detect issues super early, and even the ability to generate amazing content right on your device. The line between our digital and real worlds, yeah, that's about to get a whole lot blurrier. And all of this really points to one powerful idea. The end goal here isn't just to make a smarter phone. It's to transform this device into an intelligent personal companion, something that actively helps you navigate your life. And that leaves us with one final question to think about. As this technology keeps evolving at a truly dizzying pace, will your phone eventually become not just a tool, but your most intelligent and maybe even most